Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to optimize focus sessions in Serene. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So all you gotta do is simply go to Serene. Once you're in your Serene, you need to simply tap on it. Once you have tapped on it, now to optimize your focus sessions in Serene, you should leverage its core features like daily planning, distraction blocking like websites, apps, and phones, and the session timer that is similar to Pomodoro technique. So you need to prioritize your daily goals, activate like distraction blocking, break down tasks, silence your phone, and use timed intervals. So its general focus optimization technology or techniques is to optimize your environment, single tasking, and incorporate breaks. So this will prioritize your wellness, and you can also use background music for it. So by using these methods, you will be able to optimize focus sessions in Serene. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the facts and figure that you can optimize your focus session in Serene if you are able to optimize your environment and your phone's data by keeping it into silent and avoiding your distractions. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.